Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW guys E46. This one will be the 3 Series generation guys from 1998 to 2006. We'll show you guys if your heater blower fan doesn't work guys, which fuse to check. And you actually have 2 fuses that you need to check. Stay with us and we'll demonstrate that. In addition guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. We'll be taking it completely apart. Please guys, subscribe to the channel. Our mission guys is to save you as much money as we can. Like the video, drop a comment and let us know if it was helpful. So let's start on the problem now. So you need to go ahead, open the passenger door, go in the, go right here, the glove box, storage compartment. Right here guys, on top you have 2 things that you need to turn towards the outside like that. Okay, and drop it down. Okay, you can see those are your fuses guys. Okay, and you can see the first row of fuses, the numbers are on top. The bottom row, the numbers will be found right here, but they're hard to show you on the camera. So the fuse that we're looking at first guys is fuse number 28 guys. Okay, fuse number 28 will be a 5 amp fuse guys. Okay, it will be this fuse. Okay, right here. This is one of the fuses. So how you guys replace that one? Okay, you grab the fuse puller here. Okay, you grab that fuse puller, grab the fuse. Okay, this is 29, 28, pull it out. And I'm going to grab a new fuse now. You can find guys where we get our replacement fuses in the description of the video below. It's a really good price guys, and you'll be surprised how cheap they are. So make sure I get in the correct slot. Okay, push that one in. Now the other fuse that we need to check guys, it's again for the blower fan, and it's fuse number 50, which is incredibly big. It's a 40 amp fuse guys. This is the one that's most likely going bad. Okay, this is the fuse right here, number 50. This fuse right here guys, and I'm going to pull it out quick. Okay, this one is good. This is the one for the motor. The other one is more likely for the controller, the little one. So always check that one as well. This is fuse number 40. So these 2 fuses guys are for the okay, let me position this one good, because if you don't get them right, okay, you can bend something and it will not work. If that doesn't fix your problem guys, it could be a bad resistor. We'll have the video on the channel, please check it out. From that point on, don't forget guys to install your fuse puller here, not to lose it, because okay, you're going to need it next time, and if it's not here, you're not going to have it, and it's hard to pull those things out. Okay, like that. And just go ahead and close it. So, thank you for watching guys. Please. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.